Welcome back to the next video of the Connect to Learn. Today we are going to learn about one more amazing thing, that how we can multiply any number with tens, hundreds, thousands, or maybe more than that, right? Let's see. So first we are going to discuss about how to multiply any number with 10, right? So here we're having some questions as you can see on the screen. So first question is like 2 times 10. I know that most of you know already how to do this, right? So let's discuss. You just only multiply numbers 2 with 1 and you get 2. Now how many zeros you have here? 1 0, so we can put 1 0. This was easy. Now let's apply this same thing to the next questions. 5 and 1. 5 times 1 gives you 5. How many zeros here? 2 zeros. So we write 2 zeros after that. And this becomes 500. Let's do the next one. Here we have 700 times 10. So 7 times 1 gives you 7. And you write 3 zeros after that. So it becomes now 7,000. Right. Now let's do the fourth question. Here we have 75 times 10. So any number is when multiplied with 1, it gives us the same number, right? So it is going to be 75 for us. And how many zeros? Only 1 0. So it becomes 750. Next question, 640 times 10. So 64 multiplied by 1 gives you 64 only. And now count the zeros. 1, 2. So let's put 2 zeros after that. It is going to give you 6,400. Now the next one, it is for you. I want answers from you. Next, let's learn about how to multiply numbers with 100. So here, as you can see, first question is 200 times 100. So let's multiply the numbers again. 2 times 1 gives you 2. How many zeros here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to put 4 zeros here. How will you read this number? Just put comma, counting 3 digits from the right side here, and it gives you your 20,000, right? Next question is 64 times 100. So 64 times 1 gives you 64 only. How many zeros this time? 2 zeros. So we put 2 zeros. This was easy, right? Let's do the next question here. It is 860 times 100. So again the same process. 86 times 1 gives you 86. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros, isn't it? So let's put 3 zeros over here and it gives you now 86,000. Next question is for you. I want your answers in the chat box. Next one is this. Here we have times thousands, as you can see, right? So let's start with the first question. 2 times 1 gives you 2 only. And we put how many zeros? You know it. 3 zeros. Easy, right? Now let's do the next one. 5 times 1. Easy, right? 5. How many zeros? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put 4 zeros. Now how do we read this? Just 1, 2, 3, put comma over here. It gives you 50,000. Now the next question, it is 8,921 times 1,000. So process is going to be same. Let's multiply this number with 1. It is going to give you the same number. So we write here 8,921. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So we put 3 zeros after that. Now let's see how to read this. As I told you that we are only putting commas after 3 digits. So put comma here from the backwards. Now leave 3 digits again, then put comma over here. How much is it? Now this is going to be 8 million for you. 8,921,000. That is how we read it. So how to read the numbers, we are going to learn that also in a separate video. Let's do the next one. It's 400 times 1,000. So again, 4 times 1 is 4, right? How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put 5 zeros over here. Is it right? Right. So let's put comma over here. Now it is giving you 400,000, right? Let's do the next part. Okay, now this one is amazing. Here, we are not multiplying the numbers with 10, 100, and 1000, but process is going to be same. Let's learn this. Here, two numbers we have. So let's multiply 2 times 2. That is going to give you 4, isn't it? Now, how many zeros? 2 zeros. Let's put 2 zeros after that. It is going to give you 400. Easy, right? Let's apply this again to the next question. 3 times 4. That is 12, right? How many zeros? 1, 2. 2 zeros again. So let's put 2 zeros. It is going to give you 1200, right? Next is 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 is how much? 12. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So let's put 2 zeros after that, like this. Next is 8 times 3. How much is that? Isn't it 24? So let's write down 24 here. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So let's put 2 zeros. It is going to give you 2400, or we can say 2400. Let's do the next one now. Here it is 7 times 2, which is 14. So how many zeros? It's only 1. So let's put 1 zero. It gives you 140. Next one. 4 times 2 is 8, right? So let's put 3 zeros after that, and it is going to give you 8000. Now the next one is for you. Okay. Next, 12 times 2. How much is that? It is going to be 24. We put 1 zero. It is going to give you 240, which is your answer. So I hope you liked the video today, and I hope that you have learned something new today. So stay tuned with us for more videos. Connect to learn with us. Thank you so much.